Okay, number 6, determine the graph of the polynomial function with the following characteristics. So we're going to go through the bullets and eliminate what it can't be. The degree is even means it's even on both ends. That means both ends are going the same direction. If I look at all of these choices, A, B, C, D, both ends are going the same way on all of them. So it doesn't eliminate any of those options. Bullet number 2, the leading coefficient is positive. It means both ends are going to be going up. So it can't be B. And that's the only one we can eliminate there. Bullet number 3, it has a local maximum value of 1. That means it has a peak at 1. So I'm going to look at the Y value that has a peak at 1. A, there's no peak at 1. 1 would be right about here somewhere. There's no peak there. B, we already eliminated that one. C, there's no peak at 1. There's no peak anywhere at 1. D, there is a peak at 1. Okay. And also, our last bullet says the range Y is greater than or equal to 0. That satisfies that requirement as well. The range doesn't go below 0. It only stays above the x-axis. So D is the right answer.